equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To start, gather your tools: a torque screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a suction cup. First, power off your Surface Pro 5 and remove any accessories. Next, use the suction cup to gently lift the screen. Insert the spudger to carefully pry open the device. Be cautious of the internal components. Once open, locate the battery. You'll see several screws holding it in place. Remove these screws with your torque screwdriver. After that, disconnect the battery connector from the motherboard. Now, take the new battery and connect it to the motherboard. Secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Before sealing the device, do a quick visual inspection for any dust or debris. A clean internal environment is crucial for optimal performance. Finally, press the screen back into place. If you need assistance, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Enjoy the convenience of pickup and delivery at your home. No calls, no travel, just a quote before repair. Your Surface Pro 5 will be as good as new. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.